So in dealing with the people who are visually impaired, you talk with the client to discuss exercise plans with the doctor, because some medical and eye conditions can be affected by heavy lifting or bending or fast rapid movements. In Miss B's case, since she has not worked out in a very long time, I would work with her one on one so that she is safe and the program I have created for her is effective. Then just have her going to a gym and me giving her certain workouts for her to lose weight or become active. Um, Body weight workouts such as lunges. I'll give her some exercises like dips on the chair, push ups, have her do a sit to stand test, and etc. Other things like that in that nature. Um, Longer walks with her dog also can help lower her heart rate. It, I would prescribe her instead of doing 15 minutes, I would prescribe her to do around 30 minutes to lower her heart rate so she could get used to walking for long periods of time without um, stopping and getting deprived. Stretching will be an important component to help her with her balance also, um, because since her balance is kind of off, it will give her a good solid base of support. And incorporate a healthier diet is also a good way to decrease her blood pressure along with exercise. Some modifications that would be helpful are to be a sighted guide. This means that when Miss B is exercising, she can learn or hold on to my arms, elbow, or shoulders when performing an exercise. A stationary bike or a treadmill are also good modifications, so that she can get a good feel for the motion. I could be a more vocal as a caller. Since her vision is compromised, I would tell her to walk to me or have keys or bells to know that me that she's walking to during an exercise. For instance, like if she's running on a track, so she doesn't run into other runners also on the track. And lastly, I would prescribe her yoga or Tai Chi, because that can expand her range of motion with help with her balance and for her to know where her body is in space. And for my final slide, here are my references. Have a good one.